and welcome to a new Tech Tuesday video. I am continuing my discussion about Gemini and the new Gems features and all the things you can do with it, as well as just general updates about Gemini itself. The last time we left off, I was talking about the ability to go over here to explore gems and then to create your own gems and share them. Now, what if you're unsure what to write in there for the prompt? Well, one thing you can do is go to the prompt library with AI for Education, and they have all these amazing prompts right here. And so you can take these prompts and kind of reuse them to make your gem. So I'm going to name this Tiered Assignments. And then I'm going to paste the prompt here, but I'm going to edit it a little bit. I'm going to just say you are an experienced teacher in Texas. Skilled in curriculum development and differentiating instruction, meet the needs of all learners. Your task is to help me design a tiered assignment for students on the topic I give you. The assignment should align with, not the following, but academic standards and include learning objectives. I'm going to say with Texas. And then please provide, and I'm going to say 3 for now, but I can always go back and change that. 3 versions of the assignment that vary in complexity, abstraction, level of independence required, but that address the same core concepts and skills. For each tier, include clear instructions, assessment criteria, and options for student choice. Okay, so this is the gem that I just made. I'm going to click Save. Okay, and so here I can start a chat or I can click Share. Let's start a chat. So these are my tiered assignments, and so I'm going to say 5th grade, dividing fractions. And that's all I'm going to put in. Now let's see what it does. Well, it gave me the TEAC. And here's modeling fractional division, core concept and skills. And then here's tier 1, the goal, the instructions, student choice options, and assessment criteria. Tier 2, representational and independent application, moderate complexity, moderate support. So dividing with models and algorithms. And it gives you some other options. And then here is tier 3, abstract and creative synthesis, high complexity, high independence. And if I would like to, I can even ask it to create another tier for me. And it even gave me a link to a video. So this is something you can do if you're not quite sure how to create that gem. The AI for Education prompt library has all these different prompts in here that you can take, and you can create your own gem using their prompts, just like I just did. Now, I want to finish with showing you another gem. However, this one is one that Google actually made, and it's called Storybook. So let's say that your students are struggling with something as far as social skills, or if they're struggling with anything really. So what you can do is you can ask it to write a story about almost anything. So let's say that you want to write a storybook about, let's think. Let's just use what I've used before. Right a story for 3rd grade, the importance of citizenship. Because in 3rd grade TEKS, it talks all about being a good citizen. So now it's creating a storybook. And while we're waiting on this storybook to create, I can go back and show you some of the other ones I have made. So let me see if I can open another Gemini while that's creating. Then I'm just going to go to the second. See, it's still creating a storybook there. So here's one that we made before. Write a story about a 1st grade for the importance of keeping your hands to yourself. And you can do this in almost any style. You can make it an anime, claymation, whatever illustration style you like, but it does create you a book. And if I wanted to, I could go over here and ask it to change the name of the main character. And you can read through it. You also have the ability to print if you would like to. Let's go back over here. Here we go. Leo and the Harmonyville Helpers. For some reason, I've been getting the name Leo a lot, so I can always ask it to change that name. But this is for 3rd graders. And it's all about being a good citizen. And you can always edit it and ask it to change different things. But this is just another gem that might be interesting to play around with as well. If you have any questions, please reach out.